spiritual brothers and sisters, and particularly Buddhist brothers and sisters. I'm extremely happy to know you are going to organize one festival for spirituality or culture, these things. So it is very, very sort of happy occasion, because firstly, you are Buddhist country, and Buddhist tradition very strong. All your people's sort of way of life is very much based on Buddhist teaching, the teaching of love, compassion, and also teaching of Paticca. And then secondly, I have been in your country a few occasions, in early 60s and I think 70s, few occasions. I have a very good impression about your country. So now you organize this festival. So this also can be something, the two Buddhist brothers, sisters, come closer through understanding. So, and then also, as you know, we are passing through difficult period. So our main concern is Tibetan unique, compassionate cultural heritage. That's not only 620 people is concerned, but also I think in some extent whole world, now today's world, there are a lot of violence, a lot of sort of self-centered, extreme, one-sided sort of selfish. That creates a lot of problem. So in such cases, Buddhist message of love, compassion, and then also Buddhist message, Paticca, give us the holistic view that we really need. So therefore, Tibetan culture, usually I describe Buddhist culture, so now passing through difficult period. So more and more people now showing interest, so this festival can be helpful to promote what's Buddhist culture. So what's our similarities? So finally, once again, I want to thank to you and all the organizers. I very much appreciate, and I pray all the work will be successful, and also your country, although recently some difficult situation, but I am quite sure with blessing of Buddha and also spirit of Thai people, I think things will